Good morning, all of you. Now, last chapter, let us revise our last chapter, that is transportation. In the transportation, what you have to study? The advantage and disadvantage. Only you have to study the advantage and disadvantage. The syllabus was given at the beginning of your chapter. The important and modes, the railway, roadways, railway, airways, waterway, advantage and disadvantage. No location is required. Now, advantage. What is advantage of a road? What is the disadvantage of road? What is advantage of railway? What is disadvantage of railway? That only you have to study. The railroad, it starts from your doorstep. It can be constructed any place, any mountain, any region. The small area or the big area, it joins all the places. That is advantage. Disadvantage, long journey we cannot do by the road. Everywhere the nice road is not there. The road filled with the water in the rainy season. Disadvantage. Railway, it is a very comfortable for the long distance journey. The bulky goods can be taken very easily. It is very important for the making the national unity. Disadvantage, if you see the railway, the disadvantage of a railway is mainly it does not start at your doorstep. The poor maintenance of the railway, the ticket was generally whenever we needed, it is not available. Now next one is a waterway. It is the cheapest mode of a transportation, but it is cheapest mode of a transportation, does not create any pollution, it is easily available. Disadvantage, everywhere the water pollution is not, water transportation is not available. The river dries in the summer season or they are having the sales, so it is not present everywhere. It is the slowest mode of a transportation. It is not available everywhere. Airways, the air transportation is considered as a best mode of a transportation. It is because, not because it was save time, it is the fastest mode of a transportation, but it is very important during the time of a natural calamities, like in the case of a flood, in the case of an earthquake or any natural calamities. The air route becomes very important. When the flood was there, everything is submerged, the water was there on the roads, on the railway tracks, traveling is not possible. But the airport is only, the air transportation is only mode of a transportation which is used for the saving life, for the distribution of food packets and so on. So it is becomes very important in the natural calamities, and this is how the air transportation is totally different from the rest of the other modes of a transportation. The airway is also very important in the mountainous region, on the desert region, on the plateau region where the construction of a road and railway is not possible. The air transportation is very important for this region. The air transportation also having the advantage as it connects the two countries. The two countries cannot be joined by the roads or the waterways, but the two countries always connected by the airways. So that is advantage. Disadvantage, it is a very costly. The schedule is not exactly with your schedule matches. The poor people cannot afford it. The poor weather conditions are there, so that is a disadvantage of air transportation. Now in this chapter that you have to study, and sometimes we also study what does the border road organization BRO means, what is a PWD means, the abbreviation which is given in the chapter, that you have to study. So all the best. Prepare your chapter thoroughly. Only 3 chapters is there. Prepare nicely. The objective questions are there, so the whole chapter you have to learn very nicely. Question answer I have not did because the question answer from one chapter there's 200 300 questions are there, and it is not possible to complete all these questions in your copy. So you should have one self-study. The evergreen self-study is the best one. Though you have any self-study, the question is almost same in every self-study. So you should have one self-study for the geography, or you ready to do all this question in the copy. That will take lots of time. So better you do, you take one self-study and prepare yourself for the exam. All the best, and I hope you will do well in examination. If you have any doubt, any query, you can message me. I will give all the answers. Thank you.